Continue. Number 7, dam. Dam is a blood. The Torah forbids eating the blood or of even kosher, slaughtered animal or fowl. So commentaries say, all of the references, blood is among the few prohibitions, prohibited food that render one who ingested punishable by chorus. Right? So, and it's a product, so just to remind ourselves, it's a product of the kosher species, right? So the meat is kosher, but the blood is not kosher, right? So it's of course it's an exception. So we say if the animal is kosher or bird is kosher, so the products are kosher, meaning the eggs are kosher or the milk of this cow is kosher, right? It's very interesting, but the blood is one of the exceptions. This applies to the blood that gushes from the animal in the time of the shechita. So chorus only from this blood. So just to remind us, this blood was used to sprinkle on the altar, right? When they do shechita in the Beis Hamikdash, that what was special, like a basin that the Kohen would use. He would fetch the blood and go up to the altar, not necessarily up to it. It depends what, I apologize, I don't want to confuse it. It depends what kind of a sacrifice it was. So he would sprinkle on the altar in one place, two places, doesn't matter. Okay, continue. Okay, so one more time. The Torah prohibits eating blood of even kosher slaughtered animal or fowl. So animal slaughter, no problem, blood is forbidden. Therefore, after slaughtering, all of the meat must be salted before cooking. Okay, the salting process includes rinsing before and after salting. So of course, first you want to rinse. Why? Like for sure you see the blood, right? So you want to get rid of the blood, right? Then you want to salt. Then salt, like we use kosher salt, like with big grains. It's going to absorb the blood, like bring it out from the meat. And then you want to wash this salt away, of course. Okay, so commentaries say meat must be salted within 72 hours. So if so I say 48, but I think okay, but they say 72. 72 means 72, no problem. So after that, I guess the blood is going to absorb so much it would be impossible to get it out. Right. So one more time, meat must be salted within 72 hours after shechita. If the meat was soaked in the water at some time during the 72 hours, one may wait another 72 hours before salting it. May. Properly not to do it, but he may. If the meat was not soaked during 72 hours, the blood may be removed only through broiling. So broiling, what does it mean, broiling? Broiling, it means like on top of the fire, like you would do barbecue, right? So the blood would like drip into the fire itself. That's the only like way to kosher liver. Some people like liver, so that's how you kosher liver. Or some people eat heart, which is not recommended, but they eat anyway. So that's how you or other internal organs, even say don't, but they kosher. I mean, it's not that they did not forbid, but they say not recommended because of different reasons. Especially Zohar, he's very strict with this. Okay, continue. After broiling, the meat may not be, cooked. May not be cooked, right? Why? Because the blood can come out still and be absorbed in the vessel. There is a question whether the meat that was frozen for more than 3 days before salting may be koshered through salting. See, okay, so that's not such an easy thing. So because the freezing would like close all of the arteries on all of the blood vessels. Just 1 second. Continue. Certain organs and arteries must be removed, or must or require special treatment to rid them of the blood. So, and I saw some when I was in the butcher store. So somebody like before me was buying this, what is it, the liver, the complete liver, right? And you can see the artery is still there, and the place where the artery was, so they carved it out like this they did. But of course you have to do it over the fire. I'm not sure, for me it's too much work.